Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing a simple way to make vanilla yogurt parfaits. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please stay tuned. But before I get started, if you like content centered around simple recipes or simple meal ideas, restaurant recommendations, or product reviews, please consider subscribing. For the purpose of today's video, these parfaits are going to be made with some light vanilla yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, bananas, granola, and some melted peanut butter. All right, you guys, let's get started. I like to use these Tupperware containers. It's a 12-ounce Tupperware, wide brim to make it easier to get the yogurt in, or I use these Parfait cups. It's a 10-ounce glass. I believe I got these off Amazon, and if you're interested, I will add a link to the description. I'm gonna do 1 cup of yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, granola, my favorite part of this parfait is the melted peanut butter. Alright, so for these, same thing. I'm going to fill them up about halfway. Strawberries and bananas in these. Granola and peanut butter. All right, the last one. And this one, I'll just do a medley since I have so much left over. I'll do blueberries, some strawberries, and bananas. Top it off with some granola. Best part is the peanut butter. I like to put the peanut butter on all of them. All right guys, so they're done. I'm gonna store these in the refrigerator and I'll be right back to try it. So good. Well, all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. And if you like what you saw, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And then if you like fruit salad, go ahead and check out this recipe right here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.